This video demonstrates how to quickly and easily disable your VPN connection. The process varies slightly depending on your device and VPN provider, but the core steps remain consistent. The first thing to do is locate the VPN application or settings on your device. The VPN app often has a prominent disconnect button. Alternatively, on most operating systems, you can manage VPN connections through the system settings. For example, on Windows, use Network Settings. On macOS, access VPN settings in System Preferences. On Android, use the Settings app for VPN options. On iOS, toggle VPN in Settings, or use the Desktop VPN app directly. On Windows, go to Settings, Network and Internet VPN. Select your VPN connection and click Disconnect. On macOS, open System Preferences, Network, select your VPN connection in the left sidebar, and click Disconnect. For iOS, locate the VPN toggle in your device settings, usually under General, and switch it off. On Android, find the VPN toggle in your settings, under Connections or Network and Internet, and switch it off. If you're using a dedicated VPN application, simply open the app and tap or click the Disconnect button. Verify the VPN is off by checking your IP address on a website like whatismyip.com. It should reflect your ISP's address, not the VPN server's address.